Well, you want your buddies to see you with the fat girl, right? She does the job, she keeps the work. Yeah.
It's worth $40.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
You a couple of drops here.
Oh, yeah, you did. Oh, you're
Good cowboy, you.
I'm happy. I'll be right back, guys.
I'll take this one.